Rum. She's with the RumChata.
She had her foot in there. It was the funniest part, her back foot. I hope she's not stuck.
She's not stuck. She's got like majority of her body not even close.
Okay.
If anyone will find a way in there, it's a cat.
You might be a little big for it. Just a little. I mean, you lost some weight, but not that much. My big baby.
Still gonna try. Still gonna try. Still gonna try. She's trying.
Somebody wants attention.
Now she's circling.
You're gonna pull stuff out of the box. Okay. Thank you. Why, thank you, honey. That was so nice of you to bring that to me.
Are we gonna try and fit in the box again?
Go for it. Go for it.
No, instead.
If I sit, the dog's gonna get me. Okay, she's getting me. But she's so sweet. You're so sweet. She
You gonna
come
try
get you.
again, cat? No.
No, she's gonna chew it up. Make it bigger. That's smart. Make the hole bigger.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think she's given up.
Okay, she's done.
For now.
Anything else I can get into over here? She really is looking. Maybe Chloe will help you figure it out.
Nope.
Felicia's still trying to get into the box. The little tiny hole. It doesn't work. Did you get in? Can you get in? No? You can't get in. She's trying to get in there.
She's in.
She's so cute. Can you do it? Just never gives up. Every now and then she tries it. Well, it was a good try. Again. Oh, I'm gonna try. Kara makes it worse. You encourage her. Kara's naughty. She's not a good friend. You should not listen to her. She can do it. You can do it. No, you can't. You just hit the dog. It's the dog's fault you can't get in there. It's okay. You're cute. Alright. Live to try it another day. I know Kara wants you to keep trying. Don't do it! Walk away! She succeeded. She finally got in. Kara opened it up. You got in! You did it! She looks disturbed.
You stuck.
You're in.
I think she might be stuck.
No, she doesn't get stuck. Well, usually.
You're so cute.
Are you stuck? You're not stuck. See? She's not stuck. She knows what she's doing. She's a cat. Yay, she did it!